Well, it's morning time. We got a deer out there. It's about 7:30, 7:40. They're just all over. They come out of the woodwork around here, I swear. Even after the trees have been, oh, there's more in there. That doe was running that one off. I said, you can't come in here. Darn old deer. I can't even get along. Anything else? I don't think so. Well, they'll have to get along now. They're both in there. Just like kids, ain't they? Well, that's it today for Moonlight Acres there. Well, no, they're stuck dried out again. Yep. There. Isn't that a pretty sight? Yeah. Look at that. Oh, got an itch. Uh-oh. Here's the other. Well, that's one of those does. And that may be a yearling behind. I can't tell. It's getting harder to tell. There's like, oh my God, there's a herd of them in there. I'm telling you, they come out of the woodwork. Nothing but deer around these here woods. Well, looks like they're moseying away, doesn't it? Yep, they're moseying out. Well, I guess that's it for now. You saw it on Moonlight Acres at dawn. Life's good.